Okay, now I started. I wasn't even recording back then.
Wow.
I feel dumb.
Wow.
So say hi now.
Hi.
He is. He's obsessed with fame. I am too, so. Say hi, Savannah. I'm gonna miss this class. Say hi, Miss Chappelle. Sabina. What's your name? Sabrina. Say hi.
You guys are even now. You didn't know her name.
No, I know her name. It's just so confusing with Savannah, Sabrina, and Selena. Isn't it confusing? It is. Say hi to YouTube. Ooh, somebody wrote back. Like after an hour. Shayla! I'm recording you. You'll feel dumb. Okay guys, say bye. Bye. Hi Haley. Oh Haley, sign my yearbook. Where's my yearbook? I gave you my yearbook so you can give it to her.
I don't have it.
Oh, you give. Oh, Miss Chappelle's signing it too. Okay, bye. Say bye guys.